I am so excited about the brews section because I am a Sound of Music geek. So I found the fun Trapp Brewery beer sitting in our shop right. I don't understand how there's any way I couldn't like a Sound of Music beer. Cheers.
Indeed. Cheers.
All right. It tastes like soda.
Right?
It absolutely tastes like soda.
It tastes
when
like
do we have
soda.
to put you to the test here? As our total non-beer drinker, when we have ones that don't really taste like a beer.
I like that.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good tasting drink.
Yeah.
So Sound of Music, you didn't let me down, but I would not, if this is what lager beer tastes like in Austria, it tastes different than it did in Germany.
Than I did.
But this is a really good drink. Nice job, Fun Trapp.
Yeah.
The hills are alive.